Novartis is based in Switzerland. Its focus, how on earth did you get this? Is it the contact lens focus?
Exactly,
right.
the
So
contact lens
it does have
makers
a focus on cancer drugs and also owns Sandoz and the contact lens maker Alcon.
So it bought Alcon from Nestle in 2010, and it's not been doing particularly well. And there's rumors that Joe Jimenez, the CEO of Novartis, which is a Leviathan, Swiss-based pharma company, really, is looking to offload the Alcon division.
So $209 billion here. So we're really talking about another heavyweight. Price to earnings ratio 29.7, dividend yield of 3.5%. Let's focus on the Alcon element, which Paul has cobbled together to put Novartis into the story.
I can't remember how much they paid for Alcon, but it was about $50 million at least. And now they sort of touting that they're going to be they're looking to offload it, but they're prepared to offload, I think, between 25 and 35 billion. So it's I mean, they're going to take a significant knock on it. And as Paul says, the business itself has been underperforming fairly significantly. Again, it's not a massive part of the group, so it only makes up about 10% of group revenue. So it's not the be all and end all of Novartis, and it might be interesting to see how they sell it and who they sell it to. I mean, Johnson & Johnson has been touted as one of the operations that might buy it, but I think until we know who's going to buy it, you kind of want to understand how they're going to then turn the business around.
Well, if it's 10% of a $200 billion market cap, we're still looking at $20 billion.
So we'll have to wait and see. I mean, it hasn't done all that well recently, and I don't really know why. Perhaps the product innovation hasn't been there. That's what they said in the commentary. So the global group, though, has got other issues. The reason Novartis has been under a little bit of pressure is that Gleevec, which is one of their top drugs for cancer, has had 1/3 reduction in sales as a result of competition. They've got a whole lot of other things going on. They own a stake of Roche,
we have to call it hot or not. We're running out of time for the show.
The stock doesn't look all that tremendous. Maybe a graph will come up later. And as far as it goes, I would say there are better pharma options than Novartis. So I would say not hot on
Gary?
Novartis.
I'm also not going to, not hard. It's expensive. I mean, we've got a forward PE of only about 16 though, so we do think that the earnings are going to come through in the next period. But yeah, still, I think in the pharma space, I think there's more exciting things to look at.